Hey guys, I'm Christopher, and I'm up here at the Zipline Tower. I just made this really cool paper airplane, and I want to show you how to make it too. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a pair of scissors, some Scotch tape, and your paper airplane book. So, I was looking through the book, and I liked the plane on page 20, the Red Baron. Now, if you go into your bag, you'll have a whole bunch of different planes that you can make. The Red Baron is this one right here. So we're going to tear that out and be real careful. There's a perforated edge here. I'm going to very carefully tear that out. And then we're going to go back to page 22. And it's going to show us how to make it. So first, we have a dotted line right down the center. We want to fold that right in half. I'm going to crease the edge just a little bit on this side, and then I'm going to line up the other side. And then I'm going to crease that edge as well. Make sure that's nice and tight. Then you're going to open it back up and fold down on these dotted lines. The more precise you are, the more symmetrical your plane will be. So you don't want to get in a rush when you're folding these. Now, there's two lines here. You'll see one going horizontal this way and this way. We want to go to that second line. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I want this center line to match this line right, the center line where we just made those two folds. And you'll notice the nose will stick past just a little bit. And then we'll make that fold. Now, we'll take this triangle that we made and we'll fold it back up. So now your plane should look something like this. From here, we'll flip over, and this is where the hardest fold is in the whole plane. It's called a rolling fold. And you're going to come here, and you'll see this is all wanting to fold, but we don't want it to all fold. We want just right here to fold. Just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So first, we're going to pull this little triangle down, get it close to where we want it, and then we'll fan that back up. And then make sure everything's real nice and tight. Press down your folds real hard. From here, you're going to flip your plane over, and now it's going to fold up. And you can see how everything lines up real nice. You want to make sure and get these two back corners to line up. And then you can press down. And that should be that middle fold, the very first fold. This is our middle fold right here. And then from here, we're going to fold the planes, or the wings, I'm sorry. So we'll come down and there'll be a dotted line right here, and that's where we're going to fold to. And then when we fold this other wing, we're not going to worry about the dotted line. We just want this wing to match this wing. So we're going to fold down and make it match, and then crease it. here, we're going to turn the plane upside down. We're kind of starting to get a plane look. We're going to fold upside down. And we're going to fold these down. You'll see this line here. You can fold these down or up. I think the plane looks cooler when they're folded down. And you want to come up a little bit. And here we have our red baron. But I like to tape it so it doesn't fall apart. So we're going to take a little bit of tape. They don't have to be real big pieces. We're going to roll right over top of that. And then put a little piece on the wings here. And then one more piece. This one's going to need to be a little bit longer. And we're going to put that in the center here so it doesn't come apart. And we're going to press that together real hard. And here we have the red baron plane. Let's see how it flies.